Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Art Studio M and today I'm excited to share my portrait drawings of my daughter. Every month I create a new portrait of her and I'd love to show you the process and materials I use. For this portrait I'm using simple and familiar tools. I keep a paper towel nearby to control smudging and keep the drawing clean. I also use a cutter to sharpen my pencils, ensuring a precise and fine point for detailed work. I use a soft brush to gently remove graphite dust. I use these paper blending stamps to soften the graphite and create smooth transitions to the shading. I use a lot of them, as you can see, and I reuse them all over again and again and again. So they are my favorite. So I bought this eraser to help me erase the small details, and it didn't help me. It's not good. I don't recommend it. But this Plastilin eraser is great, and I do recommend it. I'm using graphite pencils in different hardnesses for sketching and details. So let me show you what pencils I'm using. These ones are the ones that I'm always using, and you can see on each one of them the numbers. And this is my sketchbook. So before diving into the new portrait, let me show you some of the sketches I've done in the past. Each drawing represents a moment capturing her growth and personality. So I started with a basic sketch, and I'm erasing the sketch so I can focus on on details, on smooth details. I like to start with the eyes. I always start with the eyes and then gradually going to the face and the hair and the rest of the details from the face and the clothes. So please enjoy the drawing. I'm back, and I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of creating these portraits. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe if you like my work and my paintings, my drawings, my sketchbooks, and everything I share with you. Thank you so much, guys, and have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.